Hey guys, it's Jesse. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to be talking to you guys about canaries. Now, canaries are a bit different, but we'll be able to touch base on that in a little bit. But before that, I would like to say, please smash that subscribe button and click the bell notification, as well as like this video and comment any questions you have about this parrot or anything you want to suggest that we do. Any type of bird, animal. We're not only gonna be doing birds, but just so anyway. So news, politics, again, yuck. So let's get into this video and learn about animals. So canaries. So do you know about this precious and lovable bird? Canaries. So bright and musical, canaries bred for their beautiful color and singing voice. They are most social and can live in flocks. Number 2. Experience level is a beginner, so it's easy to take care of. Number 3, size of the canaries grow from 5 inches, which is 13 centimeters, from head to tail. Try not to get the glare. So number 4, the lifespan of canaries is 15 years, which is pretty long for a tiny bird like that. So the origin, they're named after the Canary Islands, where they were from originally. So that's where they got the names, and yeah. So let's see. Number 6. The temperament. So canaries love to watch their pet parents, as well as be talked to and whistled at, but they prefer not to be handled. So number 7, to feed your canary, you need 75% of seed or seed pellet blends, then about 20% fresh foods like dog leafy greens, and 5% treats. Of course, 5% treats. Then let's see, yes, water. Of course, you've got to have water for them. Anyway, so number 8, when should you contact your vet? If he's sitting at the bottom of his enclosure for too long, that is one of the things. So that was number 8. Number 9 is if there's decrease in appetite or weight loss. And then number 10, the last one I'm doing right now, is less activity and grooming. So you want to make sure that your bird is able to groom himself. If he's not grooming himself, that could be, his feathers might not look as great. So just be careful of those things. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and click the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a video. Anyway guys, there we go, that is it. See you in the next video. Peace.